your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks and draw along with me. It's fun when you get squiggling. Squiggling! Hello, everyone. Squiglet here.
Can you guess who I'm pretending to be? Oh, I'm carrying a shield. And I'm wearing clunky armour. I'm a knight.
Shall we squiggle our own knight? What sort of line could we use? Let's have a look.
It's a curved line.
Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Now it's time to get squiggling. Let's all squiggle the knight's shield first. We'll need a curved line for that. Curved lines are great. Squiggle one with me. Put your squiggle stick on your squiggle pad. Down, curve round and up. And down, curve round and up. What's yours like? Down, curve round and up. And down, curve round and up. That's the top. Now the sides. Curve down to a point, then the other side. Curve down to a point. That's his shield. Our knight needs a big helmet. Let's use our curved line again. Up, curve round and down. With two lines at the bottom. And three lines for his nose protector. And a little bump here. We'll draw his face. Another curved line under his helmet. And we'll give him two eyes, two ears, one, two, and a smiley mouth. He needs his clunky armour, so let's draw a body. Two arms, one, two, and two knight's boots. One, two. One brave knight with a beautiful shield. Shall we meet him? Say the magic words with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make our squiggles come alive.
Hello there. Sir Prancelot's the name.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Squiglet.
I'd love to stay and chat, but I'm off to save a beautiful princess from a scary monster.
Oh, what does the monster look like?
Well, I haven't actually seen it, but I have heard it, and it makes a horrible sort of noise. Ooh, it's really rather nasty.
It sounds very nasty, doesn't it?
It's probably got a huge, scary head.
Maybe 2.
Or even 3. I know. Anyway, it's keeping this princess in a tall tower on the other side of a huge forest. Trouble is, I can't seem to find this forest.
No problem. We can squiggle the forest for you. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Let's all squiggle the trees in the forest. We'll need our curve line again for the tops of the trees.
Ready? Curve up,
and down. Now another one. Curve up and down. And keep going like that all the way around. Up and down. And up and down. Now we need some straight lines for the tree trunks, like this, under the treetops. Down and down and down, all the way across. Lots of tree trunks. And there's our forest. Why don't you colour yours in? Lots of green for the trees and brown for the tree trunks. There, our forest is ready.
Yes, this is the forest. The tower's on the other side. Thanks, everyone.
Will it take a long time to get through it?
It better not. I have to rescue the princess from that horrible monster. Now, where did I leave my scooter? Right, I'm off.
How exciting! Come on! Oh, you're right. That monster doesn't sound very nice.
It's enough to make a knight's big, strong legs turn to wobbly jelly. It's lucky I'm so brave. Time to rescue that princess. Oh dear, that monster makes a horrible noise.
It's funny that no one's ever seen it.
I know. I wonder what it looks like.
What do you think the monster might look like?
He could have a really spiky tail.
Oh, great big horns. Oh, I know. Why don't we squiggle a monster just like the one in the tower? Do you have your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Let's give our monster a really big head. We can use our curved line again for that.
Ready? Curve round and round and round. Back to the beginning. There, one monster's head. Now you can give your monster any kind of face you like. One eye. Or lots of eyes. One short tooth. Or lots of teeth.
Go on. While I squiggle my monster, you can squiggle yours however you want. And don't forget to colour him in.
There, our monster's finished.
Oh my, what a horrible monster. I really must rescue that princess right away. But how am I going to get across this moat? There's no bridge. And I don't want to get my armour wet. It might get rusty. What am I going to do?
Don't worry, Sir Prancelot. Let's see if we can get a clue from the squiggle pad. Can you spot a way of helping him across the moat?
This is William and Oscar. They've made some boats. They've got sails.
Well done. Oh, sit on the edge again. Sit on the edge.
A big blow helps them across the water. Sailing boats looks like fun. Did you see a way that Sir Prancelot can get across the water?
That's it. I can sail across the moat in a boat.
Good idea!
Oh, except I haven't got a boat, have I?
No problem. We can squiggle one for you. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Let's all squiggle a boat. We'll start with the bottom. We can use our curved line again for that.
Ready? down, curve round and up. So it looks like a smile. Now let's use a straight line to make the top. And 2 straight lines up for our mast. Join the lines together. You can make your sail any shape you like. I'm going to make mine a triangle. And there we go, a boat. I'm going to colour my boat orange and purple. What colour are you going to make yours? There. Our boat is ready to sail.
Oh, Squiglet, that's perfect. Right, monster. Watch out. Here I come.
We can't let Sir Prancelot go in there alone. Come on! The monster sounds very close.
I know.
I'm sure that monster is no match for a knight like you.
You're right. I must rescue the princess. Well, monster, prepare to meet brave Sir Prancelot. Huh? It's the princess.
Yes, fast asleep and snoring so loud that she sounds just like
A
monster!
Princess! Princess!
Hello?
Are you okay?
Oh, yes. Fine, thank you. Bit peckish, though. I'm as hungry as a great big monster.
Did you think there was a monster too? Join in with our song. I thought I saw a monster. I thought I heard it roar. I thought I saw a monster, but it was you I saw. You went rah, 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 ree. Perhaps you are a monster. I think you must be. I thought I saw a monster. I thought I heard it roar. I thought I saw a monster, but it was you I saw. You went stomp, 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 wee! Perhaps you are a monster. I think you must be. I thought I saw a monster. I thought I heard it roar. I thought I saw a monster, but it was you I saw. You went yum, 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 yummy. Perhaps you are a monster. I think you must be. Being a monster's lots of fun. Thanks for all your squiggles. It's time to go now, but come back to get squiggling soon. Keep on squiggling. Bye!